So we're really well positioned to take what all of these really smart people like Don and everybody else are talking about theoretically what should be happening in a classroom. And we're lucky that Don does have a background in education. But I think my strength is turning the theory and from all of these experts and how do you actually make it work in a class when it's, push comes to shove, the nuts and bolts of handouts and daily prep and turning the theoretical things that we want happening in a classroom, turning that into pedagogy. I think I'm an expert in that. And you're going to get to play around with some of those things in student mode so that you can identify what kids are going to be thinking and feeling going through some of these experiments. And then we'll unpack that with our teacher brains on. And that model for STEM teachers, that's been tried and true for a long time. And I think that's not only a way to invigorate content, but also invigorate pedagogy. So if you're looking for cool new tricks, you'll get something out of it. If you're just looking content, you're going to get something out of it, but more than likely you're going to get both by coming here.